Hello and welcome to pH Biology. Today's explainer is photosynthesis, the process that builds every bit of plant matter on Earth from carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. By the end of this video you'll know both equations, the site where it happens and why it's endothermic. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make glucose from carbon dioxide and water using light energy absorbed by chlorophyll. Word equation: carbon dioxide plus water gives glucose plus oxygen in the presence of light. Symbol equation: 6CO2 plus 6H2O gives C6H12O6 plus 6O2. It's endothermic because it needs energy in. Three things. 1. Light energy is absorbed by chlorophyll, the green pigment in chloroplasts. 2. Photosynthesis happens in chloroplasts, mostly in the palisade mesophyll cells of leaves. 3. The glucose produced is used immediately for respiration, converted to starch for storage, or used to build cellulose and other plant molecules. Common slip. Say glucose, not just food. Photosynthesis specifically produces glucose, the simple sugar that everything else is built from. And remember, oxygen is a byproduct. It's released through stomata into the atmosphere, but the plant didn't set out to make it. Quick example. 6CO2 plus 6H2O gives C6H12C12O6 plus 6O2. Balance check. 6 carbons in, 6 in glucose, 12 hydrogens in, 12 in glucose, 18 oxygens in, 6 in glucose, and 12 in oxygen molecules. Total 18 out. Balance perfectly. Every single oxygen we breathe ultimately came from photosynthesis. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.